Hi, I'm Dr. Jesse.
And I'm April Gill.
We can't wait to join you for our upcoming workshop, Naked and Unashamed, and we're going to specifically focus on your physical intimacy in marriage. We're going to be drawing from the hottest topic in marriage therapy and also in physical intimacy therapy, which is attachment and building secure attachment, which nurtures your emotional and your physical relationship all at the same time, so that each emotional conversation is literally building a bridge to the bedroom, and each moment of physical intimacy is fully wrapped up in the power and embrace of secure attachment.
We don't want you to miss this, so please mark your calendars for October the 6th and 7th. It'll be Friday evening and Saturday morning right here on Christ Community Church campus. If you have young children, you'll definitely want to book a sitter, and we're very excited to share this content with you guys.
We're going to have some fun. We're not going to embarrass you, but we're also going to have some pointed conversation about two key cycles that pose barriers to the intimacy that you so long for and that you need when you are a married person. We're also going to give you some practical tools, of course, so that each member of the marriage can show up to the bedroom naked and unashamed. We can't wait to spend this time with you. God bless you.